Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm here for another unboxing, and today we are going to be unboxing an Influenster box. I'm super excited to have this box. I'm just excited to unbox this, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what is inside of my box. For those of you who don't know about Influenster is a website, and they also have an app where you sign up and you can connect your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and all your social medias and stuff. And they pretty much just want a review kind of thing, really. So they send you free products and you review them. So you will get an email asking you to do a survey. You do the survey, and if you're in, then they will send you an email telling you that you will be getting it in the mail. And pretty much you have these tasks to do, whether it's make a video, post it on Instagram, post it on Facebook, post it on your Instagram stories, Snapchat, whatever it is. You submit your activities and then you will get a badge. And obviously the more active you are on the website and on the app and just on your profile in general, you will obviously be picked for more boxes. I believe that if you get a Voxbox and you do all the activities that they ask you to do in a timely manner, I think that also helps your impact score and pretty much you being and getting another box. So yeah, I will definitely leave the link down below if anybody wants to check it out. I'll leave that down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. But yeah, let's unbox this together. This is the care package Voxbox. So it says go to the app, find your care package Voxbox campaign on your profile. It says try your products and tell us what you think in your posts. Don't be shy. Rock your task, complete your activities to finish your campaign to earn more goodies. And then take the survey, share testing feedback with the participating brands. So that's really it. You really just have to be active, and obviously if you do your activities you will get picked for another box because they want active users, which is very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this, and the first thing in this box is the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. I've heard that this is really good. I have yet to try this, so this is actually really exciting to have in the box. Ooh, that smells so good. What the heck? This smells amazing. It says it is a vegan formula, no animal derived ingredients or byproduct, 94% biodegradable formula, no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants. So this is really nice to have. I'm super excited to try this out. I've seen people rave about this, so that's exciting to be able to try it out for myself and see how much I like it. Next, I got this Humphreys Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner. This is Refresh with Cucumber with Wild Crop Certified Witch Hazel. I've never tried witch hazel. I've heard it's really good for your skin. So this would be really exciting to try, especially like after makeup. So during my skincare routine. This is refresh your skin and senses with the wild wonders of certified organic witch hazel. Humphreys refresh. What is wrong with me? Humphreys Refresh Witch Hazel and Cucumber Alcohol-Free Toner helps soothe redness for the clean, calm, conditioned skin you are born to face the world with. This is really cute. I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried this brand, so nice. And the last thing in this box is this Advil Dual Action with acetaminophen. Honestly speaking, this is a godsend because I've been having killer headaches lately, and I literally just ran out of my Advils, so this was on time, like punctual. So I'm so excited to try this out. I will definitely let you guys know. I've been having these killer headaches. I don't even know why. It's my sleeping schedule. I bet you 100% that's what it is. But yeah, so I'm really excited to try this out. I will definitely let you guys know. I will leave the link to my Influenster profile down below if you guys want to check that out, so you guys can follow me or whatever. I'm not too active on it, but I'm definitely trying to get more active, so but yeah, so that's really it. That's everything that came in the box. But I'm still really excited and happy to have these things. I'm super excited to try them out and let you guys know how I feel about them. So there is that. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my unboxing. Everything I showed off in this video, I will leave it down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, as well as my social medias and everything else down below. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. And if you're new, hello, my name is Sylvia. I'm a mess, and I'm happy to be your friend. Yes, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.